Now, if you happen to watch the end of video number 3 in this series, you'll remember that I infused cactus juice into these 4 pieces of wood here, and that I was saying I was really anxious to be able to cut this one open and see what it looked like on the inside, because there's some pretty good cracks in it. And well, let's do that. Let's open it up and see what we got. Now I can see what you can't see, and that is that the cactus juice has penetrated all the way into that little crack, as far in as it can go. Like where this little circle is, I can zoom right in, and I can see it. It's there, trust me. Now this is the blank that I'm going to use for this kit. And this brass tube is a little bit on the large size, not the largest, but I'm definitely going to have to be careful when I drill the hole that I get it as centered as possible. Now these 2 pieces, you'll remember that I did cut off 3 pieces off of that piece of wood. Well, I've got them to match up here, and I'm probably going to use this kit right here. Now, I want to make sure that when I get them on the mandrel, I get them right. So I want to make sure that those 2 ends are together on the mandrel, and that way I can get the grain to match up nice. I started off at 220 here. I worked my way up to 600. I found that this wood was very soft, even with the cactus juice hardening. Now I realize that I've already told some people I was going to finish this pen off with CA glue. Well, I've changed my mind because I've had such bad luck using it. I think I'm too slow. I end up with my bushing stuck to the end of my blanks, and it just doesn't work out as good for me as this stuff does. So I'm going to stay with this stuff because it works. And I notice that a lot of other guys use it too, so I don't feel too bad. Well, this is application number 2. I forgot to push record for number 1. Sorry about that. And there's another thing I'm going to forget to do here. Let's see if you can spot it. Put it in my comments. It's nothing real important, but it always gives me a big surprise. Now I'm noticing a little tiny mark right there. Now that's something in the wood. I'm going to see if I can get the clip to cover that. Well, a little bit more yet. There we go.